All right. Hey, YouTube, welcome to the channel. Hey, if this is your first time here, my name is Jason. I'm an affiliate marketer. And on the channel, we find online programs to make money with. We prove we can make money with them. And then we pass that information on to you so you can do the same. So today we're going to continue with our daily series for Clickbank, or turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month, to see how long it takes us to actually do that and to have really good income coming in from this system. We're using a simple copy and paste mailing system with pre-written emails, and we're just sending those out every morning. And we have made some money, and now we are going to go to the next promotion inside of Clickbank. So today's kind of exciting day. Let's jump over to Clickbank and let's see what the next one is that we can work with. So far, we've done okay. We've made a little bit of money. We're looking for that really good product that is going to really put us up over the top. So let's go into the marketplace, and we're going right here to e-business and e-marketing because that's what our leads are generally looking at. And we're going to see, let's see, we did this one already. We did this one second. We just finished up with this one. So let's see, right apps. There we go. There's our next one, writeappreviews.com. So let's go inside and we'll make sure that they have what we need. So we have to, yep, we got swipes. We got email swipes. We have just about anything you could want here to advertise this. But as always, for the purpose of this series, we are going to just run the email swipes. And we've got another one with 20 today. So this will take care of our next 20 days. Let's see what they look like. That one's nice and short. I like that. A little bit longer. Okay. Pretty standard. Okay, some of these look pretty good. I think we can do okay with this. So now what we're going to do, or what I'll do, is whenever I upload this video, I will get these all set into a Google document, and then I'm going to post that Google Doc below here. Just for ease, for convenience, that way you don't have to log in every single day to Clickbank. If you don't want to, you can just go straight to the Google Doc. You can use the emails off of there, and they're going to be in order, and they'll be labeled 1 through 20. So for today, what we're going to do, we're just going to go in here, and I'm going to pull this. Let's see. Let's read a little more about this. And let's see. Here's a landing page. This looks very similar to some of the others. So let's see. This is going to be number time sale. Well, let's just check some of these out. Not bad. It's bright. Got a timer. Little video. So that's good. So $17 discount. We're counting down to the discount. Okay, I like that one. It's pretty good. Let's see what this one looks like. And what we're going to do, we're going to use the hop link on each email. And what they'll do is they'll kind of change them up. So they'll go to a couple different pages for us. This one's pretty basic. Just fine too. Sometimes the basic ones are what you need. There you go. $7.35 a week for playing games. Let's see what that page looks like. Okay, again, pretty basic, but this is good. Calling out money right here, $7.35 per week. And it also has a deadline on it. Now I'm assuming they'll change that deadline if this goes out and we're sending it in series. Okay, cool. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm going to copy everything in here except for yeah, I'll just copy this and then we'll move it. So we'll copy there. We're gonna go into my lead gen secret first account. So there's mine. Go to mailing system and select all. So this one's going to 10,300 leads today. And I'm going to come down here and I'm going to paste that all in here, and then we can go to work on it a little bit. We need this for our subject. That was our subject line. So over there, we'll get rid of it right here. And let's see, we'll get rid of that. And we're going to add our shortcode for first name. They didn't have it in there, but that's okay. We're going to add it. Comma. So we're looking for people from country. Let's put I don't know, let's just put any country. Or let's put your country. I did do some checking on some of these. I'll show you that so you can kind of see where a lot of your traffic is coming from, and I'm going to show you that. Let me get this sent. We're looking for people from your country to become our latest app tester. You may just be who we're looking for. Let's go. And go a line down, make that shorter. And then I'm going to make this all bigger. Know what this role entails before applying. If you have a device, tablet, or smartphone, and can devote at least 5 hours weekly, then read about what this position entails. So we can put our link here. And that's what we'll do. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this words here, and I'm going to go with I'm going to put my Clickbank ID in there. I'm going to highlight and Control C and copy. I'm going to go ahead and put this here. So they know by clicking there, they can get information. I'm going to make this all bigger. And I'm going to make this all bigger, and then I'll adjust some of the sizes like on the link and whatnot. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. So I'm going to get rid of that. And then what we're going to do is our font should be good. We'll use Arial. And then here we're going to, I'm going to blow this one up to 18. Because it's so short, we got plenty of room. And actually, I think at 18, even the length looks good. Let's say we go with it. Need a question mark here. I think I deleted that a minute ago. Okay, so that's what our first email is going to look like. And then there's going to be our link. Now let's go ahead and just preview this. And then we can see which page this goes to. Okay, right here. So it's kind of a basic one, but that's fine. It gives all the information somebody would need to know before applying for this. United States preferred, but it doesn't say only, so we're good with what we put in there. Okay, yeah, looks good. I'm good with it. So now we are ready to send. Make sure we got everything. And then I'm going to show you one thing on MLGS too. Okay, we'll send that. Now I have to wait till later to send the rest of mine. I sent them later yesterday, so now I have to wait. But that's okay. You're going to do the same thing. You're just going to go through, just like the previous videos, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste on all your other accounts and get this out. That's all you have to do. All right, so what I wanted to show you is you can go in here to statistics, and you can come over here and under clicks, and you can see, if you click on that, you can see where those came from. Okay, so these were all so that was somewhere else, but these were all US based clicks. There's one from United Kingdom, another. We can go in to all of these and you can see where those are coming from. Like here, we can see where all these are coming from. I'm not sure where that flag is from, but majority, so there's Canada, the majority of these are US based. Canada again, United Kingdom. Okay, so that's kind of cool. You can go in there and see that. You can see where your traffic is coming from. I don't know what that question mark is. Okay. Anyway, so that's where you can see that kind of stuff. And then you can, of course, you can go in there in here on statistics and you can see what was sent out, how many you sent. You can see the emails that were sent. You can see how many opens you got, how many clicks, all that kind of stuff. So it's pretty helpful if you're tracking your metrics, which you want to be doing. Let's jump back into Clickbank, speaking of metrics, and let's just take a look at some of ours. We made the sale day before yesterday was our last one. That was a pretty good one. So, but here we are. So here we are again yesterday. Here's the traffic we had yesterday. 177 clicks to our link. Nothing through the order page. But we're still getting traffic in there. And in our overall. Okay, so now since we've started this, and this will be day 51 in this full series. This is going to be the fourth promotion that we're running, so the fourth product. But we've sent 17,329 clicks to our links. We've had 139 click through to the order form, and we've made 8 sales. And we've made $147.31. So, if you haven't made any money with Clickbank, or if you haven't made any money online at all, this is a good way to get that start. Now, we do have a lot of different other options, and they're also great ways to start, and they're also really cheap to start. This one right here is another one I'm working on. It's just started recently. This one is Live Good. and it's supplements. Actually, I'm getting ready to drink mine right now. So they're really good. They're really cheap. It's really, really cheap to get started in this. It's $10. It's $9.95 a month. And then you promote it multiple different ways. This training series, I show people exactly how to promote it several different ways. And then you can kind of choose how you're going to promote this. So it's a great little buy-in. I've already made my money back on it. As of Thursday, I already made all the money that I spent to get in this. It was $150 for the entire year. I've already made that back. So now I'm even. So I'm just promoting this. I don't pay them any more money. If I want to order products, I do. And then they're a quarter of the price that they are in stores. So anyway, check it out. See what you think. Follow along in this series. I think you'll like it. If you like the Clickbank series, you're going to like this series too. As a matter of fact, all of these, they're all basically set up like this. So we find products and we promote them. Now the Clickbank series we're on now, we just decided to run it a particular way just to see if it would work. So we're just running the copy and paste for kind of an easy way, and it does work. Now on these, we still run copy and paste. We also run social media and short form videos and things like that to get our name out there and to get our links out there in front of people. So check that out. And, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We appreciate it. And, if you like these videos, leave us a like on them. Leave us a comment. I know a lot of you all have been texting me, and I appreciate that. I always leave my number down here at the bottom of the video for questions. And, we always appreciate the communication. Leave us a comment if you like our videos. It really helps us out. All right, guys, so I'm going to wrap up. So go start that new promotion today. If you're following along day by day, if you're just starting out, go back to video 1 and start there. It shows all the promotions we ran from the very first one all the way through each day by day. The emails are below, and actually I can show you where those are. So all the email swipes are below. And if you come into my video and come down here, right here, where it says show more, then you're going to have, so this is for my lead gen secret to join the mailing system that we're using to do this. And right here are the email swipes that we are using for this series on this first promotion. Now, so this one's 20 days. I think the second one's 20 days. The next one's 10. And this new one's going to be 20 days. So these will all be below. So all you need to do is go in and grab them, and then you're good to go. If that's how you want to do it. If you want to get into ClickBank every day, great. That's up to you. That's not an issue. You can do it that way. We just try and make it where it's more convenient is all. So, all right, guys, thanks for being here. I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss out on videos. We'll see you on the next one. Later.